What's up everyone? In this video I'm going to tell you step-by-step procedure on getting the latest Hostinger coupon code while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So what you have to do is to click on the link in the description. Once you click on that link, you will be entitled to a special exclusive and amazing page like this. You can see over here. Once you click over here, you can see over here that Hostinger got amazing reviews with Trustpilot, Google, Host Advice, WB Beginner, everyone rating them more than 4.5. You can see their plans. You can see that they have data centers all around in the world. They have their own website solution builder. They provide maximized website speed with their Lightspeed web server technology. They have 24/7 support. They have advanced security features, including protecting your website from DDoS attacks, as well as they have their own malware scanner, which constantly monitor your website for any possible viruses. You can see that they also offer free migration in case if you're coming from another hosting company. Now let's move on to the hosting plans. You can see over here web hosting. Just go to web hosting. You can on the web hosting you can see their plans: single, premium, business, cloud, setup. They offer you 4 plans. Just do a comparison of what plan is your perfect requirement. You can see that, for instance, in this plan you can host up only one website. In the premium or and in the business you can host up to 100 website, but in the cloud setup you can host up to 300 websites. So do a comparison, but for majority of the people I believe that the premium plan is sufficient. It has all the features and best of the both world plus a free domain as well. So you can opt for this plan. So let's say if you are going with this plan, just select the add to cart from over here. Once you select the add to cart, you will be redirected to another page. Okay, on that page you are going to see the summary of what you are going to buy from Hostinger. Everything is going to be mentioned on that page, including the amount of resources you are getting. You can see over here everything is being mentioned, plus you are also getting 30 days money back guarantee. Now choose your billing period: 1 month, 12, 24, and 48 months. If you ask me, I'm definitely going to recommend you to opt for 12, 24, or 48 months. While the 48 months save you the most amount of money, but it's going to be expensive for you as well, because you have to pay in a total. You can see over here. But don't worry, I'm going to give you two of the coupon codes which can give you further discount. You can find these coupon code in the description of this video along with a special link. Now I have written and I'm going to select the apply button. You can see the current pricing right now at the moment, and you can see that the price got a further reduction and discount. You know that there is another coupon code as well. Select the apply button over here, and now you see that the price got a further reduction and discount. So using either of these coupon codes is amazing to get the maximum possible discount while buying your hosting from Hostinger. So good luck with Hostinger.